All right, I got a nasty one that's coming. I got this VSS Ute. Actually, not an SS, just an SV6 I think it's chloroform is the color. And it has dents everywhere. I mean, the tub sides are terrible. The boys have already started pulling the dents and stuff, but we're got to get this thing completely straight and totally repainted. And we're going to try and get this knocked over in like just a week or so. So it's going to be a lot of work for a short time. And the transformation's going to be huge. So yeah, boys just pulling stuff apart now. But we'll have a look around it, have a look at these dents, they're hideous. Oh, look at that. That is nasty. There'd be a lot of shops that wouldn't even want to do that. They'd be like, nah, cut it off and put a new side on. That's crazy. But we're going to pull it. We're going to slap it out and boys are going to get it all straight. All sail planes chewed up. They're just broken to pieces. We'll have to fiberglass all that back in. I'm not taking these off. I mean, you know how easy they break taking them off and you never get them back on as good. So I'm going to do that all on the vehicle. Yeah, some nasty dents on this side as well. The doors are in okay condition. Couple of little dents. Guards again, couple little dents. Bumpers are pretty ugly. And bonnet not too bad, just very paint faded. So bumpers, your usual undersides, all chewed up. We'll smoothen all that out. Nice coat of primer. So yeah, you just pulled that out, yeah? Yeah, beautiful. That's how you get a dent out, boys. Just happened here, Lockie.
We did a bit of shrinking.
Heat shrinking.
Yeah, the slide hammer, pulling it out, and then a bit of heat up here because it was a bit wobbly, a bit oil canning.
Bit wobbly, yeah, yeah.
But yeah, have had Troy pulling it, heated it up, cooled it down.
Okay, so it was oil canning. Oil canning's when the metal is really soft and it just wobbles in and out. And one of them had the bee sting on pulling the dent out while the other one of the boys was heating it with the oxy. And that's called heat shrinking. It gets the metal tighter again. And as you can see, they've got that huge crease, the meat of it out. A couple of dents to still work on, but they're only minor. That was the nasty bastard, and they've done a good job getting that out. This one's going to be nasty for you too, don't you think? Yeah. All right, yeah, have every confidence in the boys to get it done. It's on its way. Thanks, lads. Stands.
Yeah. You're not just heating the bog up, it's the actual technique.
It's the technique of heating the bog up.
Keeping that distance.
Right distance, the right speed across it, flow, feel the flow. Like a carousel, up, down and around in a perfect flow, moving.
Not only do we repair your car, but we also caress it and love the vehicle while it is here.
Give it a little rub up.
Yeah. Make sure it's perfect.
Your car, our passion.
Yeah.
I just want to say thank you to you, my subscribers. Due to your support, I've been able to create enough AdSense revenue to upgrade my camera equipment. So therefore, after this video, you'll be receiving videos with far better clarity and sound quality, which is what my goal is. It's to create really good content, so it's enjoyable to watch for all of us. So a big thank you. If you're just new to the channel, please subscribe. I do like to invest any earnings back into creating good content. So the more subscribers I get, the more support I get, the better the video qualities will be. That's my promise to you. And remember, by doing so, all my subscribers will get 10% off all Reed Custom Garage services. So just another little bonus there. So thank you very much. All right, so the boys have worked hard to get this SV6 ready for paint. It's in the booth, all masked up. In just a moment, I'm about to mix up the color and lay some paint down. The tubs were the worst. Really bad dents along the side of the tubs. The roof and bonnet were paint faded, and just a couple of dents on the front guards. The doors weren't bad, just a couple of little dents at the top of the handle there. Same on that side. So the colour is chlorophyll. I'm going to try and get coverage on this Respray in 1 litre plus reducer. 1-to-1, that'll reduce down to 2 litres of paint. This is what it looks like. A lovely bluey green pearl. All right, it's looking really good. I'm up to my last coat of clear. So that is what 10 days of non-stop hard work looks like. You saw how it was when it came in. Have a look at it now. Like a brand new one. You gotta love that colour. Do you like it better than the yellow SS Ute I did? If you watched one of my previous videos of the direct gloss yellow SS, let me know if you think this colour is better than that colour. I suppose they're just so different, so it comes down to what your cup of tea is, I guess. Just beautiful.